I was born in Brooklyn, New York, and Brooklyn, New York is a melting pot of immigrants. My parents are from a small island in the Caribbean called Barbados. They came here like most immigrants, no money in their pocket, looking for a better life. I grew up with the sights and the smells and the sounds of the Caribbean in my neighborhood. I heard all the stories of people, trying to make a better life for themselves and their family. Everybody wanted to be legal. Everybody wanted a work permit. Everybody wanted status. I got into immigration law because I saw my neighbors struggling because they didn't have the same opportunities as a United States citizen. So what I try to do every day is think of those immigrants that I grew up with and try to figure out how can I fix their status to make their life better, to get them closer to their American dream. What makes our office unique is that everyone that works in our office has an immigrant experience of their own. When you call our office, you're going to hear someone that sounds like you, that understands you. We are basically immigrants serving immigrants.
I'm from Trinidad, a small island in the Caribbean. The job opportunities were limited. Schooling was limited. So when I got the opportunity to come to the States, I jumped on it. The immigration process in the United States, even while you're here, it's very complicated. People don't realize the amount of legal forms. You never know who's knocking at your door. It's the uneasy feeling of not knowing if you'll be here tomorrow. I would definitely refer Ray Griffith to friends, family. He was able to go through these forms with ease, and he would take all the information from you and make sure it got into the right place. A huge burden was taken off my shoulders. I'm pretty confident in not having to worry about being deported.
I grew up in Mexico. I lived in a border town. I was lucky enough that I was able to cross that border back and forth very easily, being that I was born in the United States. Many of my clients have crossed through that border. The fact that I was able to cross that border very easily is something that I never took for granted. And now I work to give many of those rights to my clients. There is a lot at stake when I'm representing my clients in immigration law. These are people that have grounded roots in the United States, that have children who are US citizens. Being able to protect my clients is priceless. Every story is personal, and that helps me fight a lot more for them.
What we provide is a caring, comfortable, confidential environment for you to discuss with us your immigration problems. We'll be with you every step of the way through this legal process. And then we will fight for your rights and find a solution.